Hi, this is Billy Burgess with the IBM Cloud team. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new instance of an IBM Cloud account, create a light instance of Cloud Object Storage, followed by creating your first bucket within Cloud Object Storage. So first, to create a new account, go to IBM Cloud, click on the first link, and then in the top right here it's Cloud Sign In Login. This is going to be where you enter your information. It does not require a credit card to get started. I already have an account, so I'm going to click Login in the top corner and continue. When you first log in, you may get a couple notifications that walk you through the web UI of IBM Cloud. You can skip through that if your purpose is to create Cloud Object Storage. What will show up first is your dashboard. Your dashboard, assuming you created a new account, should be pretty empty. To go get to your first Cloud Object Storage instance, click Catalog at the top. This will take you to all of our offerings, many of which are available in a light instance for you to provision and mess with for free. Obviously, here on the left, we're going to click Storage, Object Storage, and then it's going to ask you to create a new name. It'll default one for you. You can also just write one yourself. And then just click Create at the bottom. While that's being created, I'm going to click back into the catalog and show you a helpful link for some helpful links for object storage. So click back into here and then View Docs on the left side. It's going to open in a new tab. It has more information than you'll probably need to get started, but definitely worth looking at. Getting started links on the left will filter it by role, talks about the CLI, talks about the console, and many other helpful things such as how to use RSpera high-speed transfer to get your data into the cloud, the archive use case, etc. So definitely check out this link. Again, you can get to that by clicking on the offering instance, and then on the left there's a docs page. Now our instance should be provisioned. Let's go back into our dashboard here by clicking IBM Cloud. Your resource summary, we're going to click on View All, and then here we have two things within storage. One's the test and one's this test one that I just created. We're going to click into that. And this will pull up our instance. This is the initial page that will show you a little bit about your instance. Obviously it's empty right now, but if you have buckets, they'll show up here. They'll give you the location, class, and other information. You have some service credentials for API access on the left, etc. Let's go ahead and create our first bucket by clicking this button. We need a unique bucket name. So this is going to be globally unique, not just locally unique. So I'm going to create test demo video bucket and add just a bunch of random numbers to it to make sure it's unique. Resiliency, we have offerings that are single site, regional, or cross-regional. For this, we'll just create regional, pick US South, which is going to be in Dallas. Storage class, we'll pick standard. Here's an interesting feature as well that many people may want to use is adding an archive policy. You can set a value for number of days at which you would like to move it to archive, which is going to be a much cheaper storage. For this instance, let's say we want to put information straight into archive. We're going to enter 0 days for this policy. That will, instead of sending it into the storage, will immediately send it into that archive mode. You won't be charged for the standard storage class fees. So we'll create this bucket. And there you are. It's been successfully created. And if you click back into your Cloud Object Storage instance to the top, you'll see this bucket created, where it is, the storage class. And if you go into extra features, you'll see that archive policy. Thank you so much.